Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. How are you doing today? And guys, today I will share you 10 opposite words, which one very much important for our academic and competitive job. Also it's important for admission test, like there has 2-3 this type of question. Alright, so let's start. Like I can say selfish, kind, selfish, kind, careless. What will be the opposite? Careful, careless. Opposite will be careful. Repair, repair. Opposite will be damage, damage. Plant. Opposite will be harvest. Planter opposite ki hobe? Harvest. Alright, many, many er opposite ki hobe? Few. Many er opposite ki hobe? Few. Whole, whole, broken. Whole er opposite ki hobe? Broken. Deep, deep er opposite ki hobe? Light. Deep er opposite ki hobe? Light. Patient, patient, ধৈর্য এর অপোজিট কি হবে? Impatient, impatient. Artificial, কৃত্রিম, ওকে? Artificial এর অপোজিট কি হবে? Natural, artificial, natural. And what about send? পাঠানো, receive, গ্রহণ